evening, everybody. I'm Jay from Applebee's Al-Andalus, Jeddah, Saudi Arabia. We will demonstrate about the hand washing procedure. First, put water, cool down, should be rinse with warm water. And then, second, you must apply antimicrobial soap. And then rub your hands for 10 seconds. You have two ways to rub your hands, or just hang up. And then after that, just rinse your hands in the warm water. Okay? After the soap gone, because of the rinse of the warm water, and then use the disposable towel to wet and add the wet water. And then after that one, the last procedure, use the disposable towel to turn off the faucet and then throw the last. Bye bye.